everyone! Welcome to my vlog! Ngayong araw na to gagawa kami ng kilay, eyebrow tinting, or eyebrow coloring of eyebrow. Ganun ba? Anong tawag doon? Eyebrow tinting, no? Ito ay mga estudyante ko sa makeup. Pinapaaral ko sila mag-eyebrow tinting. Eyebrow coloring of eyebrow. Yeah. Now, they are good. Not hayawanat, insan. Now they are good. I want to see more from the two Fatma. Now Z and Ipsy are very good in eyebrow. You do it like when you before before gorilla. They said before gorilla. After it will become Barbie. Barbie. Lazim kamaniya sawitan dip mo basta inti yani law kan galat marra inti sawitan dip. Ali, asa niya kamay. Dito naman sa makeup, ito ang ating beautician, si Epsi from Ethiopia. Yan, magaling niya na mag-ano ng beauty. Pero ang hada, hada? Wala di. Hindi. Sawitan dito. Hada, puti, minhina. Hada, minhina. Ang hihiya, tiba tamannya, kita hina, taman minfok. O din sawi-sawi ko. Muhina. Baden, anti-sawitan dito. Ade. Minhina, sawitamannya, minhina. Minhina. لازم كده مرتب شوي بعدين شوي. The eyebrows, the hair of the eyebrows, you can put concealer, not to seen the hairs of the eyebrows. You put concealer, light concealer, then afterwards you put the foundation, not for the concealer will not be shown on the skin. Yes, so come on, Hada. You have to clean this one also. Clean that one. Clean this. This one, Lon. Chili, Lon. Take this one, Hada, Lon. Clean. Very clean. Yes, like that. Then hold this one. Hold this and I will show you how to do it with concealer. Stop. Hold. And this the concealer. Where's the concealer? After concealer, you can put the foundation. This for skin tone of Z. Right? This one to clean this with this one. Maiji kita yang tahad lazim. Yung tamannya you can add. We must What? This. You have to do this. Let's try is. Wait. Karnagas, Shreya. Then clean. Clean like this. This is the finished eyebrow. She look Barbie now. Ito na yung natapos naming eyebrow. Hindi pa yan na bandawan. Diba, ang ganda-ganda. Wala siyang kilay. One line lang. One line. So, ginawa namin ganyan. Also, this one. Also, this one. Ganyan ang kaganapan ngayon dito sa NAPCO. Dito na nagtatapos ang aming session for today. Eyebrow tempting. Ang ganda nila. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking mga videos. Bye! Say bye everyone! Bye!